The Nordic and Baltics are the most advanced digital regions in the world. It's the world's digital sandbox. Our digital ecosystem is our lifeblood. So understanding the potential of 5G in these regards is vital. For me, 5G is not just a new network, it's a new way of thinking. High speed and low latency creates possibility for completely new and previously unseen technological solutions. Estonia's small size and innovative mindsets creates an ideal environment for developing and launching new technology. This is why Telia Company is developing and testing the next generation 5G technology in the Baltics and Nordics.
"5G, as I like to say, is how we enable a fully connected mobile intelligent society.
5G is this platform for digitization of consumer experiences and society and industries, and it will solve many use cases, many applications in completely new ways.
5G will allow us to use radio spectrum more efficiently to enable amazing capacity and high throughput gigabit speeds and very low latency. That means real-time experiences that we can't deliver now on the 4G network.
You could imagine that you have immersive experiences, you have completely intuitive user interfaces built in a combination between the devices and the networks. Some of those use cases are in the area of remote inspections of windmills, others are down in the mines, and of course we're doing a lot in automotive, transportation and the trucking industry.
Eventually we will also see customer-oriented applications like augmented reality and 360 video, making good use of these new 5G capabilities as well.
5G will see an explosive growth in the number of connected devices and demands on the network as billions of smart devices and sensors are enabled with communication capabilities and computing power.
The IoT industry longs for the 5G network to have higher capacity and lower latency. Industry 4.0, the self-driving cars, medicine, the high-tech industries all require 5G networks to be successful in their IoT solutions.
This is the first generation of what I'd like to say is distributed compute. Cloud computing really revolutionizes the model of how technology is deployed and has demonstrated the extent to which devices, networks, and the cloud have to be tightly integrated to deliver performance, scalability, and costs for successful technologies, services, and products.
And of course, as the digitalization grows in the world, security will become even more important. 5G network will be designed from the ground up, taking pervasive security measures into account.
It was quite obvious for us from the very beginning that actually 5G is going to change the construction industry as such in one way or another. And for us to kind of tell this story, we wanted to create an example of the future already now. For that purpose, we chose a small-scale excavator and decided to make it remote controllable. We put a 360-degree camera inside the excavator body, and the remote controlling joysticks are on distance, and the driver can then wear a VR headset to provide the vision and audio feedback. For the connectivity part, we are equipped with a real pre-commercial 5G link, which for the VR experience provides us with very high throughputs and also very, very low latency, which are both absolutely necessary in order to have an authentic, real-time remote controlling experience. Theoretically, what this technology enables us is that you could control heavy machinery from all over the world. The excavator is kind of a concept project for us, but we also wanted to prove that 5G enables value in real life. For that purpose, we equipped Tallink cruise ship with 5G connectivity. There are thousands of passengers on a cruise ship that are surfing the web, using Wi-Fi and generating enormous amounts of data loads. For us, it is important to prove that 5G can handle those enormous loads of data, and for Tallink, in their interest is to provide an absolute best customer experience. So I must admit that we are both very happy about the partnership.
5G research was started many years ago. In fact, already before we had launched 4G, we were busy in the labs researching technology components that would then go into a next generation system. And that's where Ericsson has taken a leading role in terms of driving standardization already from the outset of the 5G project in 3GPP, together with partners. And now all of those components, they have matured to a point where we then feel confident to put a stake in the ground and say that by 2020, we believe we can have a commercial 5G system launched.
Telia has always been on the forefront of establishing new network technologies, and we are keen on exploiting this new opportunity as soon as possible to get the technology out into our customers' real life and business. So this is our pedigree. We were very early with 4G, and now we want to be very early with 5G as well.
Delivering on the promise of 5G is a huge challenge. It requires more than a new radio connectivity standard, but also a transformation of the entire network from end to end. Intel's leadership in powering data centers has taught us how to optimize across the value chain to deliver efficiency, speed, and capacity that will be critical to meet the massive requirements that 5G will place upon the networks.
We are driven by a clear desire to create technology that has the power to make the world a better place. Now it's time to begin work with customers and industries to fulfill that vision. The showcase carried out today will provide a foundation for shaping the society and economy of tomorrow. There are many exciting things to come, and we look forward to bold new leaps in the near future.